Hello everyone. So today I wanted to do a continuation of last video. So in the last video we basically got this purple rain up and working. We only had 15 minutes though, so I wasn't able to implement everything that I really wanted to. And I also think that we can fix some things just to make it look more realistic. So today's video we will be adding some stuff to basically make this look just a bit better. But without further ado, let's get straight into it. Okay, so the first thing that we're going to add is horizontal motion. So let's do that real quick.
Oh, shit!
Okay, so I noticed they all are falling off the screen, so just like checking for when they fall from the bottom, we have to check when they fall off the right, and then just reset them to the left. So let me do that real quick. Okay, nice. So now we need the velocities to be dynamic instead of constant, because right now they're all falling to the right and downwards at the same speed. So we basically need to make them more dynamic. So let's add that right now. So let's see what it looks like. Okay, cool. So now the bigger drops, they fall faster horizontally and vertically than the smaller drops. So it's already looking a little bit better. There's definitely some more stuff we could do. Let's see. Let's change the colors. I think that'll add another dimension of kind of perspective. So I'm pretty sure it makes sense to have the colors in the front I think a lighter shade of purple, and then as it goes back, I think it should get darker. That's just what I'm thinking. So yeah, let's try that and see what happens. Okay, that's definitely a bit better. One thing I'm noticing is that the height of the drops, like they're all set to the same thing. Like they're all set to 2 times the width. So I'd like to make them more dynamic so they're all not just 2 times the width. So let's make the height of the drops more dynamic. So let's do that right now. Okay, it's definitely better. I'm noticing one issue though. Since the smaller drops fall at a slower rate, we need to basically start them closer to the top when we reset all the positions, so that, because it's going to take time. If it starts like way above the screen, then it's going to take time for the smaller drops to fall. So I want to add something to make the smaller drops start closer to the top of the screen. So let's do that, and then I think we'll be done. Okay, I believe that should fix it. So let's see where we're at. Okay, definitely an improvement from the first video. There's definitely still some stuff that we could add to make this better. Because like right now, like some of them overlap, and it still isn't as random as I would like. But that's something for another day. I think this is a good stopping point. I hope you all enjoyed. And thank you all so much for all the support. It really does mean a lot to me. So stay tuned for more, and maybe leave some suggestions if you have any ideas for future videos. But thanks again, and I'll see you all next time.